Welcome to the last step of our assignment, step 6 of our assignment of part 1. So we have a few things to do. We have to change the format and print to PDF. So the first thing that the assignment is asking me is change all the tasks and task summaries to show finish date on the right instead of the resource. This is a task, this is a task summary, and we need to change what's on the right hand side. So as it's for all, we go to format, we go to bar style, format and bar style, which means you'll do it for all the bars. So we search for task initially, so the first one is task, and we go to the text, and on the right hand side, yes indeed, we have resource names, and instead they want the finish date, so we just press finish, and that should change it for all the tasks. Now all the tasks have the finish date. They're also asking that for task summary, so format, bar style, task summary, which is summary here, same thing, text on the right, finish. Bang. So now we see also on task summaries we have a date. So that's for the first bullet point. Second bullet point, show resource name on the left of all tasks. We have to go back there. Format, bar styles, we go back to the tasks, we go on the text, and on the left we want the resource name. So the resource name, if you want to remember the name of the column, just go on the top here. Yes, that should be called resource name. Resource name. Okay. And now we have all this. So I'm not saying this is the best way to put the things, but at least we have some dates. What I would do instead is I would put maybe the task name, so that's something else that you could do instead. But that was the assignment, so we stick to this. So we've done the first 2 bullet points. Next bullet point, change all milestone tasks left hand side to red. So that's on this side here. So we're not formatting bars anymore, we're just formatting this component here. So what we can do is we go on the text styles here, item to change, we put milestone tasks, and then red, and then we press OK, and then all the tasks that are milestones have been put to red here. And then they say to format some tasks to your liking. So what we could do, I mean that's sufficient, but just a reminder, I suppose you can go here, you can change it to the way you want it. You can put a thing here. What you can do is you can use the format painter, you format here, you do the same here. We have the project clauses here, so that's something also we might want to put this way, so we reuse the same here. And the get approval here, it's all good. Alright, so I think that, and I just put it in bold to be consistent. If you want to have a project start here, for instance, project start date here, a 0, and then you put the same, you select this line, format painter, and you go back here, and then it all should be okay. Next, we print that to PDFs. Let's say we go this. Yeah, I was telling you avoid export because you have less control on the format. So if we go to print instead, so this doesn't look too bad. So we have the project start, we have the project close, we have everything showing, we have all the dates. That looks pretty good. I'm still not a big fan of this, but maybe I could leave it this time. But for the exercise, let's have a look. Fit to one page, legend, none. Okay, so that disappears, that's even clearer. And here you go. So what we have here now is something ready to move to a PDF. So if we say print to PDF, that would ask you where do you want to log it, and that will be probably the name as well. And then we're good to go. So that was the last step of the assignment for the part 1. Now we're moving into the advanced part.